Maze Adventures!
It's only me, May. I'm not really a beast. But today, I'm going to make a beast. And then go on a wild adventure with the wild beast. So let's see what happens. But first, we need to make the beast. So I found a pine cone, a big, beautiful pine cone
That's fallen from the trees. 2 sticks. One for the arms and one for the legs.
So, let's make our beast. So, there's lots of little holes in my pine cone. So I'm going to put my stick in one of the holes so that it will hold the arms. We could also use glue if it's not quite sticking in properly to hold it. So that's the arms. Does it look good?
Now let's do the legs.
So we're going to do the same thing, and this one is like a V, upside down V shape, and looks like legs already. So I found a nice slot for the legs to go in, and then push them in again. There! My beast has arms and legs. We need a face for the beast. So let's make some eyes. So I have some white card and some scissors. Be careful when using the scissors though, they might be sharp. So let's cut some eyes. There, 2 eyes. Nice and circular, because our eyes are like circles. So I've done circle eyes for the beast. Now we need the glue to stick the eyes on. So put a blob of glue onto the eye and stick it on the beast. Does that look good? Now for the other eye. Stick it on. Ooh, I think he looks a bit beastly. Let's colour the eyes in. What colour shall I do his eyes? How about green, like my eyes?
Yeah!
Here's my green pen, and we'll colour him in. There. He looks very beastly and scary. Now let's go on an adventure with the beast. The beast is just sitting in the forest, wondering what to do today. He could go to the park. Oh, but it'll be full of animals. He could go for a swim. Oh, but he would scare all the fishes.
Or he could climb a tree. Yeah!
He wish he had a friend to play with. That would be so nice. But everyone in the forest is afraid of the beast. They just think he's too scary. So he's walking along when he sees the snake. Ah! Ah! Rah! Rah! The beast has gotten used to people being afraid. He's a beast, so he might as well act like one, right? Oh, this looks like a nice tree. Maybe I could climb it. There's a sloth in the tree. Oh. Rah! 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 The sloth climbs away as fast as he can for a small sloth. Now I can climb the tree. Whee! Whoopee! Ah, what a nice view.
It's a bit lonely up here.
The beast, after climbing his tree, walks about his day, seeing what he can discover. Oh, this is another nice tree. A toucan comes and flies in and sits on the tree. Oh, what a nice tree.
Hey, I saw this tree first. It's mine.
Rah! 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 Ah! Rah! Caw-caw! Caw-caw! And the toucan flies away. Oh, this tree isn't as good as I thought it would be. There must be another tree that is much better, with a nice view. So the beast goes on a search for another nice tree. The beast just didn't realise that if he stopped just being so beastly, maybe he would make a friend. On he searched for the perfect tree. Wow, this is the perfect tree. What was that? It's the mischievous monkey. The mischievous monkey was throwing stones at the beast, which made the beast very angry. Roar! Roar! He tried scaring him away, especially as he wanted to sit in this perfect tree he'd found. After all these trees that weren't satisfying him, the mischievous monkey just laughed. The beast tried roaring again, but it wasn't working. The mischievous monkey wasn't scared. He was just mischievous. What do I do now? So the beast gives up and just sits down on the floor and looks sad. The mischievous monkey considers throwing more stones, but then sees the beast looking very sad and thought, maybe he needs cheering up instead. Maybe he's not so beastly after all. Thinks he should make it up to the beast. He feels sorry for the beast. Hey! Do you want to see something cool? What? I said, do you want to see something cool? I can show you my very cool secret spot that only I know about. Do you want to see? Well, okay. Off they walk to find the secret spot. Here we are. Here's my favourite secret spot. You can see where all the humans live. Do you like it? Oh, wow. It's so beautiful. Yeah. What a great secret spot. Thank you. No problem. They laughed and played. The monkey actually liked the beast. He was nice. And the beast really liked the monkey. The beast thought the monkey was fun. So they became the best of friends. And the beast just was himself. And everybody else actually started to like him when he wasn't terrifying people and realized actually he's not so scary. The monkey and the beast often came back to their secret spot and played together. The end. Hi! Did you enjoy the wild beast adventure? Me too! It was so much fun making the beast and then going on an adventure with the beast. The beast really enjoyed it too. He learned a lot and gained a friend. Thanks for joining me on my beast adventure. See you next time. Bye!